What's up everyone, I'm Sketchy Brett and today I'm doing another charcoal. Today I'm doing something a little bit different. I want to push it a little bit more. I want it to be more gnarly and grungy and really sketchy, I guess. I want it to really be loose. I want to fight the need to try and get into the details, and I'm gonna really try and make something quite wild. I'm gonna be starting off with just some General's compressed charcoal. This is a 4B, I think. And I'll probably use some pan pastel as well. And just gonna really have some fun with this one. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work, but let's just see how it goes. Okay, so I've put in facial features because I want to still know where I'm going, but I really want to be messy with this one. Because I feel like I've not really let the medium speak for itself enough as of yet, so I'm not going to be too precious with this one. I also want to try a smoking effect. I want to just got a cigarette here. Don't smoke, kids. But I want to see if I can get this smoke. So it's going to be probably a little bit darker than some of my other work because I really want to get And now the idea is to not try and make this look like a perfect eye, but still get enough detail. I want certainly a lot more detail than I've got currently. So now the idea is to really work out some of the details using extraction of materials. So I want to pull out a lot of the details rather than put in. Try and make this face kind of emerge. Now, teeth can be tricky, but I found the best way to do it is rather darker than light. You don't want these bright white teeth. You've got to try and strike a balance there. And you can concentrate on like the inside of the mouth to really kind of bring them up. That I was just looking too perfect. So while I was happy with how it looked, I had to just smudge it up a little bit. And now comes this. try something here where I flip from this light smoke to like dark smoke. Just try to add layers to the smoke so it kind of really becomes a feature. Okay, so I'm not very happy with this. So I'm going to try something completely different. I'm going to go with a completely new concept. And to do that, I want to draw back a bunch of this detail. All this. Whoops. And now I take this tape. Kind of didn't work. Okay. Try to. So I'm not entirely sure what exactly I'm planning here. So it'll be a bit of a try or complete error. I think at some point that previous one looked okay, but it was nothing special. So we're going to see if we can get something special, yeah.
Oh, that's looking quite cool. And then pull this tape off. See what this is all done. I like it now.
Okay, so my first idea of having smoke drifting up over her face didn't work, but I had the core of something nice. So I switched up what I wanted to do and still ended up with a piece that I'm really happy with. On reflection, why the smoke didn't work is this paper is quite textured. You can see in these details here. Because of that, I couldn't get a nice smooth line. So the smoke, I couldn't get a decent contrast. I couldn't get it to look like smoke. So it kind of just looked smudgy. So I do want to try it again, but when I try it again, I'm going to use a smoother paper. Still a little bit of tooth for the charcoal to grab onto, but this paper is definitely too textured. But I'm glad I did it. I'm happy with it. It's a cool exercise. I've learned something new and I hope you have too. If you want to follow this journey from charcoal from my disastrous lion, just watch this video over here. Otherwise, this is one of my favorites right now. And until next time, keep it sketchy. Oh, nailed it.